Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting in System Properties to find restore points quickly. First, type Create a Restore Point into Start and open the System Protection tab. You'll see available drives. Make sure the system drive shows protection is on so restore points exist. Once done, click the Configure button to confirm disk usage. This explains why you may not have points if quota is 0. If you need one immediately, click Create and give it a helpful name so you can identify it later. Now you'll view and evaluate the restore points available to you. Click the System Restore button, then Next. Windows will populate a list with dates and brief descriptions. Make sure to check Show More Restore Points to reveal older or less frequent snapshots. Look at timestamps and descriptions to pick the point taken before the issue began. Once you choose one, click Scan for affected programs to learn what will change, because this explains the how and why of what gets restored or removed. Finish the restoration by confirming the selected restore point and clicking Finish. Windows will warn you the process cannot be interrupted. Your PC restarts and applies the restore. Make sure to let it complete fully, because interrupting can leave the system unstable. After reboot, verify the issue is resolved and check Event Viewer if you need details. If the restore fails, boot into safe mode and retry. And make sure System Protection has enough disk space so restore points aren't removed automatically.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.